So welcome to Ignite, online robotics platform where kids learn robotics courses at their convenient time at their home. So we have total 16 courses, robotics courses where kids can learn from the basics to advanced. So in the level 1, we start with the basic wired robocar where kids learn about the basics of motor, battery, switches, how they work internally, what are the internal constructions, and then we go for the circuit development and the model making. So all the levels are divided basically into 3 sections. The first section is the theory and the circuit development and model making. So in the second and third level we focused on the mechanical concepts like what is gear, types of gears, how to use it, how to make the lifting mechanism out of it and gripping mechanism out of it, that we learn in that. Then we go for the circuit development to control the lifting and gripping mechanism, and then complete model making of dumpster and robotic arm. So from the level 4 we start with the sensors and programming. In the level 4 we focused on the line follower, that is the which follow the proper line of black or white with the help of IR sensor. So we here understand about what is IR sensor, what is the working of it, and how to make the circuit for the line follower with the IR sensor and this, and then we make the complete model of line follower. After that, in the level 5 and 6 we focus on the mBot 1 and mBot 2 where you will learn about the Arduino microcontroller, how to do the programming with the help of it. Here we get the introduction about the block type programming in the Arduino, and with the help of that we learn how to control the robotic car and how to make the robots with the sensors like LDR and ultrasonic sensor, and the models like home automation system and obstacle sensor based robotic car here. So from the level 7 we start learning about the basics of programming like C, C++ in this. So we will understand about the more in depth about the Arduino microcontroller, and we understand about its programming, its commands like comment variable functions, what are the essential functions, predefined functions in this, and with the help of that we will start making program for making LED on off, LED patterns, and to control the complete robotic car with the help of programming. After that, in the level 8 we are going to understand about the sensors like push button, IR sensor and motion sensor, and with the help of that how to do the programming of C, C++ with the help of this sensors in the Arduino microcontroller. We will learn it, and we will make the projects like obstacle sensor based robocar and home automation system and buzzer type program with the help of this. Now from the level 9 we will start learning about the gesture control robot. So gesture control robot means a robot can be controlled with the hand gesture, like with the hand, like you do forward it will go forward, if you do reverse it will do left and right. So that way the robotic car you can control with that. So here we will understand about its sensor, which sensor we use in it, and how to do the programming of it, that we will learn. Same way in the level 10 we are going to understand about the gesture control robotic arm. Here the robotic arm can be controlled with the movement of the fingers, like you do the finger movement like this, the gripper will close. If you open it, gripper will open. So this type of movement we will learn in this, and we will learn the programming of it and complete model making in this. And in the level 11 we are going to understand about the Bluetooth controlled robot, means how to control the robots with the help of mobile, that we are going to understand in this. So in the level 12 we are going to understand about the how to make the self-balanced robot, means it's like a Segway, in that the robot will balance on the 2 wheels. In the level 13 you are going to learn about the solar tracking system, means how to track the solar with the solar as per the sun movement, how to track the solar panel with the sun movement, that we will understand in this. Then in the level 14 we are going to understand about how to make the bipedal humanoid robot. Bipedal humanoid robot means the robot which can walk on the 2 legs. So from the level 15 we are going to have the advanced robots, like in level 15 we are going to go for the hovercraft robot, in which the robot will slightly above the like air, we can say in a air, and it will move. And in the level 16 we are going to have the drone. We are going to make a complete drone by ourselves. So in this way we will go from the basics to the drone, like this, from the robotic car to the quadcopter or drone, gradually by learning the basic concepts of robotics. Now these are the brief introduction of each and every level. Now if you want to have the depth understanding of each and every level, what kids are going to learn, then there are different videos of each level. You can have a look of it and you can have the details of it, what kids are going to learn in each level in that videos.